This is Xiaomi Redmi 13R, and today I will show how you can factory reset this phone through settings. So before we start, please keep in mind that factory resetting your phone is the process that results in the erasal of all files and data that are stored on your internal storage here. So make sure to back up everything important, everything that is of value to you. And now let's begin. So go into settings, here enter the about phone category. Now tap at the factory reset. Then read all those things, instructions and warnings. Now tap at erase all data, factory reset. Now we'll gotta wait 10 seconds for this button to become available so we can press it and finish, or well, not finish, but finally initialize the factory reset process. Or actually, we will need to wait another 10 seconds for another OK/confirm button to become active and pressable. So the factory reset process has been initialized successfully. Now you gotta just wait for it to finish. But as far as this particular video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.